In this video tutorial, I want to talk about another technique, and that is to use one or multiple sections based on a straight or a curved path, and see how we can manage these sections or one section on the path and produce a parametric model. So for the first tutorial on this section, I'm going to use one section and a curved path, and as you can see here, I can change this section and you can see the results. We will define this section on the curve, and you can see that I can change it here, so we'll talk about this based on this surface, and we can also produce the base surface for this model. So this tutorial will show you how you can start with one section, a curved path, and produce the parametric model.